students. Okay, I am your Divya ma'am and the lecture is math. Okay, so now I am going to teach you some concepts. In your previous classes, you know about big and small, long and short, heavy and light, tall and short, and thick and thin. But we will revise again all concepts. Okay, we will revise all concepts. So first is big and small. Big and small. All of you know which one is big and which one is small. Okay, now tell me which one is big and which one is small. Okay. First example. This is a ball. Here. This is also a ball. But which one is big and which one is small? Tell me. This ball is big. Okay. And this one is small. Okay. Big, small. Okay. Now we will revise next. Long and short. Okay. So next topic is, this is your revision. Okay. Only revise all concepts. So second one is long and short. Okay. Long and short. Okay, this pen, this is the pen. Okay. This one is also pen, but which one is long and which one is short? Okay, tell me which one is long and which one is short. So, this one long and this one short. Okay, so the concept of long and short, this one is long pen and this one is short. You tell this pen is long and this pen is short. Okay, big, small, done. Long and short, done. Okay, next is, our next topic is heavy and light. Heavy and light. Okay. So, the example is, this is the stone. Okay. And this is a flower. So stone is heavy, no? And flower is light in weight. So stone is heavy in weight and flower is light in weight. So here we write heavy and flower is light. So here we write light according their weight. Okay. Stone is heavy in weight and flower is light in weight. So this is the concept of heavy and light. Okay. You remember which one is heavy and which one is light? So this concept done. Okay. Now next is tall and short. Okay. So tall and short. Tall and short. Okay, now we will draw. Okay. And this one. which one is tall and which one is short? Tell me. This tree is short. Okay. And this one is tall. Okay. The concept of tall and short. Short, tall. Tall, short. Okay. This concept also is done. Yes. Now, next is thick and thin. So, which one is thick and which one is thin? This is the pumpkin. Okay, and this is the chili. So, pumpkin is thick one. So, here we write thick and chili is thin. So, here we write thick. This object is thick one and this is thick one. So, thick and thin. This concept is also done. Okay. So this is the test for you, that all concept you remember all the concept. Okay. So done. Big and small, long and short, heavy and light, tall and short, and thick and thin. Okay. Now we will do next concept. Okay, one new concept. The concept is, look at the board. Concept of few and many. Okay, this is the concept of new concept. Okay, few and many. Okay. Which one is few things and which one many? You know? Okay, I am draw some picture. Look at the board. She is Ishani. Okay? She is Ishani. She is Ishani, and here he is a boy. Okay, he is Rishi Raj. Okay, now Ishani have so many chocolates. Okay, Ishani have so many chocolates. Because that's why she is happy. Yes. And Rishiraj have only 2 chocolates. Rishiraj have only 2 chocolates. Ishani have so many chocolates. So that is the concept few and many. Many, few. Okay. Many means बहुत सारी. Few means बहुत कम, means only 2 chocolates. Rishiraj have only 2 chocolates, but Ishani have so many. So many, few. Concept of few and many. So few, many. Okay, now this is example number 1. Now example number 2 is, okay, this is the tree and birds. only 2 birds are there. So here we write few birds. Okay, and here we write many birds. Okay, so this is the concept of many, few, here few, many. Okay, on your notebook some examples are there on the page number 13. Okay, page number 13. Observe the picture and learn few and many. Okay, here are some pictures. Many birds. Finger on your notebook. Many birds, few birds. Okay, next is many people, few people. Only 3 are there, but here many peoples. Okay, now next, grapes. Here so many grapes. Here so many grapes, and here few grapes. Next, vase, flower vase. So here so many flowers, and here only 1, 2 flowers. So here we write few, and here we write many. Okay, now turn the page. This is exercise for you. Tick the collection which show few and color it. You find out few things. You find out few things and color the few pictures. So first picture, so many balloons. So you don't color it on many things, you color few things. So here only 3 balloons. So you color 3 balloons. Okay. Tick the collection which show few. Okay, which show few things and color the picture on few pictures. Okay, so you color the picture on 3 balloons. Okay, now next question is tick the collection which show many. Now the question is which show many things. So here so many fish, and here only 1, 2, 3 fishes. So you color the many fishes. Okay, you color the many fishes, and on your notebook you write down 2 examples. Okay, first one is chocolates and second one is birds. So you write, this is your homework, that the concept of few many you write down on your notebook, and on your book you color the picture. First question is show few things and second question is show many things. So this is your homework, page number 14. On your book, page number 14, exercise done on your book, and this exercise done on your notebook. Okay, so this is the concept of few and many, and your previous classes will done 5 concepts. So you remember all the concepts: big and small, long and short, heavy and light, tall and short, and thick and thin. And this is a new concept, few and many. So at your home you practice, and again you see the pictures. Okay, you see the pictures and practice at home. Okay, so this lecture is over. Bye bye, have a nice day.